Hello dear friends. We are glad to welcome you to our channel. Today in our video we will present you a review of the most stylish and fashionable women's haircut bob for all types of hair. Please watch the review to the end, and maybe you will find the most amazing haircut for yourself. Bob cuts that look great on everyone. Hairspiration, the best bobs and lobs, jagged tips, stacked, fluffy curls, angled, ballet ombre bob haircuts. One new type of bob that I believe will come out on top is the curly bob. It's a medium short bob neatly graduated into the nape in a horizontal line, with layers and light curls around the head. Apart from the fact that it's a bob that suits all faces and ages, it's also highly recommended for women with fine or thin hair. So remember, the best bob hairstyles in this year for giving extra volume are the curly bobs with ruffled waves or tasseled curls. Wavy bob with ombre. For a long bob that will also be one of the best bob hairstyles in this year, try a casual face contouring bob. Layers in the slightly waved sides and back are beautifully defined by some cleverly applied balayage/ombre. Stack bob hairstyles. Another of the best bob hairstyles that's perfect for adding oomph to fine hair, is the lovely stacked bob, angled down to longer lengths below the chin and topped off with a gorgeous balayage ombre highlight scheme. On straight, fine hair you'll get a smooth line framing the sides of the face. Ask for the sides to be point cut along the bottom to create a soft outline that enhances the defined shape of this fabulous retro 1960s style. Naturally curly bob hairstyles. Tame your mane with specially designed layers that enhance the elasticity of your natural wave and create just the right amount of volume and shape for a fabulous wash and go bob. On course, thick naturally curly hair you can get lots of incredibly easy style looks that create yet more of the best bob hairstyles that look fabulous short or long. Short bobs have been popular in some form for decades, but the modern bobs are truly unique in their versatility and edgier style. Incorporating color, shape and dimension, short bobs can be worn by any woman looking to try something new. The following shorter bobs are truly unique. It's not a challenge for a contemporary woman to look individually with a short haircut anymore. See for yourself. Bob haircuts are so trendy this year. In fact, more than half of the ladies you'll see out there have it as their daily style. We know at some point in your mind you also want to try it out. Nothing wrong with that. And interestingly, since there are lots of variations available of bob hairs, from graduated bob and A-line to stacked, layered and asymmetrical bob, you would never get bored with a typical bob or two. Thankfully, we've come up with a sea of collections that you can't overlook. Dear friends, when creating selections, we sincerely wish you beauty and happiness. Let all your dreams come true. Thank you for watching the video review to the end. Thank you for subscribing to our channel, put like, and sharing the video with friends and family. Click on the bell not to miss new videos. Up to new meetings.